If I told you that you could build a fully functional web app, complete with user authentication, a database, and payment processing, in less time than it takes to watch an episode of your favorite show. No coding required. Sounds impossible, right? Well, stick around, because I'm about to show you exactly how to do it using AI. Let's dive in. Today, we're diving into something that honestly feels like magic. We're going to build a complete web application from scratch using famous.ai, an AI-powered platform that turns your ideas into production-ready apps in minutes. Okay, this is the Famous AI homepage. You will find the link in the description box. Just grab the link and create an account. You can start it for free. So, you have no risk to try it out. Alright, come to the homepage and enter your app idea in the prompt box. For example, I want to create an app for learning languages. You can start a very simple prompt like this, a language learning app with flashcards and pronunciation practice. However, if you enter a detailed prompt, you will get better results. So, I am entering a very detailed prompt. Now, we have set some settings. Here on the top of the prompt box, you will find an option called Bulldozer Mode. If you turn on this feature, Famous AI will allow long-running changes with deep thinking and meticulous implementation. Next, the Genius Mode will provide you enhanced reasoning and problem-solving capabilities. After that, you can keep your project private by running on this toggle. Now, if you have any design or related image, you can upload it from here. In the end, select the app type between website, mobile app, or crypto. I am selecting a mobile app. Once everything is set, hit the send button. And here it is, you can see that the AI has started its work. It will generate the app idea, create the images, design the UI, create the backend, and more. You can say, a huge team is working with code, design, and database. The process will take some time to complete. So, I am fast-forwarding the video. And here it is. This is really amazing. The app looks really amazing. Now let's try the app. Is it really working? I am going to test the app using my mobile phone. So, I will scan this QR with my Expo Go app. And here it is. The app is now live. And here is the interface. First, we have to create an account. Once the account is created, you will be able to access all the language learning feature. There are only a few options are now available here. However, we can increase it by chatting with Famous AI. You can now learn the language with the app. This is really a fully functional app. Now in this method, you can create any kind of AI apps, website, and crypto assets. So there you have it. In about 10 minutes, we went from an idea to a fully deployed web application with user authentication, database functionality, data visualization, social features, and a professional design. No coding required. Now, I want to be clear, Famous.ai isn't going to replace developers for complex enterprise applications or highly specialized software. But for MVPs, SaaS products, internal tools, or any standard web app, this is an absolute game changer. Think about what this means. If you're an entrepreneur, you can now validate your ideas without spending thousands on development. If you're a startup founder, you can build your MVP in an afternoon instead of months. If you're a business owner, you can create internal tools without hiring a dev team. Barrier to entry for building software has essentially disappeared. You want to try Famous.ai yourself? I've got the link in the description. Go build something and let me know in the comments what you create. I'm genuinely curious to see what you all come up with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.